So here is Andrew in the JCB 4220 Fastrac. On the back of that, which you can see here, which will come out any second, is a mole plough. So there is the mole side, and it drags that through behind it, and it makes an opening in the ground, and that water can get away. So Andrew's just wheeling to wheeling, no GPS on this, he's just going side by side with the wheeling as he drops that down. So that goes in under the ground. As I said, it makes, basically as it goes across this field, it makes channels that the water can escape along into. So Andrew's just pulled up at the end here, nice to see the worms. So as he's come out of the end of this one, I'll give you an idea just to show you, it pulled a bit of heavy land up, so he's just giving you an idea of what it actually, there it is, you can see the entrance as that mole's actually come out, and that's basically what it creates underground at the depth you've seen on the back of the, well, Andrew can set that depth here, so he can just drop out the bolt and let the legs up and down. But he looks like he's, what, a foot, 18 inches that you're doing at the moment? Yeah, so he's 18 inches down, and then you saw the hole at the end is made. That's a heavy weight that pulls through on that chain, and that's what creates the channel. That's obviously, you don't have to put any drainage in. It may drop down in areas, but the fact is doing so many of them makes a difference. But the difference in cost of obviously doing it with a mole plough rather than coming in with all the machinery to lay it, it's a few years payback, so it's, yeah, a balance to what works. In it goes.